In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Neovim on Windows. So before we begin, first of all, you have to make sure that you are aware the system that you are using, that whether it is a 64-bit system or 32-bit system. After that, you have to open your web browser, and then in the address bar over here, you have to type in neovim.io, and then you have to press enter, and then you will be directed to this Neovim's official page. And after that, you have to click on this install now link, and then you will be directed to this GitHub's page. And here you can see under this install from download section that there are two options are there. One is stable release and another one is development pre-release. You have to click on this stable release in order to get the stable version of Neovim. And after you click on that link, you will be directed to this page, and you can see right now the current version, the latest version of Neovim is 0.4.3. Then you have to scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and here under this sh section you can see that there is these two files are there. So this link, which is nvim-win32, is for Windows 32-bit system, and this is for Windows 64-bit system. Then you have to download the files, this zip file from either of these two links, and after you download that file, you have to extract that file. Okay, now there are two ways in which you can access Vim. So the first way is you have to open the folder which you have just extracted, and you will see that inside this folder there is this new Vim folder is there. Then you have to again open this folder as well, and you will see that there are two subfolders are there named as bin and share. Then you have to open this bin folder, and inside this bin folder you will see that there is this file is there which is named as nvim-qt.exe. You have to double click this file and Neovim will start. So this is one way. Now another way is through command prompt. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click on this bar over here, and then you have to copy this path. And after that, what you have to do is you have to open my computer, and over here you have to click on the system properties, and then from here you have to click on advanced system settings, and then after that you have to click on this environment variables, and then under this system variables you have to search for path variable, and here it is, and then you have to edit the path, and then here you can see that you have to put this semicolon over here, and then you have to just paste the path which you have just copied, and you don't have to provide any semicolon after that. You just paste the path after putting the semicolon, and then you just click OK, again another OK, and one final OK, and you are done. Then after that you have to open command prompt, and inside command prompt you have to type in nvim command, and the moment you will press enter, nvim will start. As you can see, nvim version 0.4.3.